Wagwan YouTube, me man, Mr. B, and back from a little sabbatical and in time to report that at the Velocity Fest held at the National Stadium in Kingston on the weekend, Shericka Jackson posted a world-leading 10.82 seconds to take the women's sprint event, short sprint event, and to basically throw down the gauntlet and to say to all comers that she has to be seen as a contender for this event. Now, earlier, Alea Hobbs, who had finished sixth at the last year's World Championships in Oregon, had run 10.86 to post what was then a world leading time in the over the distance, albeit with a 1.9 meters per second wind. But that world leading time did not survive the night, as Shericka Jackson late in the evening at Kingston posted 10.82 seconds. And as I say, basically saying to the world, listen, I am not to be counted out of the 100 meters. A medal, certainly, at the World Championships slated for Hungary later on this year, certainly this summer. And so, we look at the fact too that Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is set to open her season at on the continent later on this month, and we kind of looking with interest as to what time Shelly will post as a season opener, and to again show the rest of the world that Jamaicans we come in with all guns blazing this season. Now, Brianna Williams, who was scheduled to compete in the finals, she had run one of the heats and didn't line up for the final at the Velocity Fest. And similarly, the Olympic champion, Elaine Thompson-Herah, who was also slated to run, pulled out of the meet at the last moment. Now, a lot of athletes, especially those at the senior level, seem to be looking at the competition, kind of sizing up, playing some sort of gamesmanship or gameswomanship, if you ask me, by pulling out of the meets at the 11th hour. Be that as it may, the season is now kind of kicking into high gear, and we know that sooner or later everybody going to have to meet up and going to have to run against each other. So we will see what is going to be what. But an interesting period as far as the women's side of the track and field is concerned. And I would love to get your feedback as to what you think. Do you see Shericka as being in medal contention? Of course, what of the Americans? The U.S. Supporters started to beat them drums and beat them chests early when Alea Hobbs threw down at 10.86. My social media feed was littered with comments from all about. And all of a sudden, when the 10.82 flashed across the screen, everybody's silent. Give me your feedback now. Let me hear what you think. Post your feedback in the comment section. If you have not yet signed up for the channel, it's a good time to subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, I'm going to ask you to just hit the like button and share. But certainly would love to get your feedback as to what are your thoughts as far as the outdoor season is concerned at this early stage. Give me a feedback. And again, if you have not yet signed up for the channel itself, I'm going to ask you to subscribe and like the video, share, and of course, invite your friends to come in as well. More time.